Hey, thanks for stopping by today. It's all about Instagram bio tricks for business for 2018. I'm going to show you a few tricks and tips you can use to optimize your Instagram bio to get more followers and more engagement. So stick with me. All right, let's get into this. I'm going to show you how to set up your bio, what to include in your bio, how to format your bio, and I'm also going to show you a couple of cool tools that you can use as well. This is actually going to be the first video in a series of about 4, maybe 5 videos that I'm going to do and share with you. These will be Instagram hacks, tips, and tricks for your business so that you can optimize your Instagram account so that you can get the most out of it. It'll help you gain followers and more engagement as well. So stop by next Thursday and don't forget to click that subscribe button at the bottom and click that bell for notifications so you won't miss a beat. All right, let's go ahead and dive in here. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Instagram account, and there's one thing I want to bring to your attention right away. You've got 2 names in Instagram. This one here, this is your Instagram username. This one here is your Instagram name. When I click on edit profile and I go to the back end, you can see right here the 2 differences, name and then username. Now your username, you want that to be the name of your business or your brand. However, this name, this is searchable. So you want to put keywords in there to help you get found. Now, I know a lot of people like to put things in there like I'm an expert at this or a guru at that or whatever, but it's not going to help you get found. You want to put in keywords that people are actually searching for as it relates to the type of business you have or the type of service that you provide. So I'll show you how this works. I'm just going to put in, I'll do social media. How about that, since that's what I do? So I'll type in social media, and you can see as I start typing, certain things start coming up. You're going to see hashtags as well as people. Now, of course, I'm going to come up now because this is my account. I'm going to come up, at the top, and that may vary depending on location and a lot of things. But my goal is when you type in social media marketing tips, I want you to see my name and my account because you're actually searching for that service or you're searching to find social media tips. So I want to be found. So if I keep typing this in, social media marketing tips, it's going to change again based upon the wording that people have in that bio. Like you can look at this lady, she has social media and Instagram tips. So again, these keywords are very valuable here. There's 4 places that you can show up: top, people, tags, and then places. You really want to just worry about the 2, top and people. So I hope that tip helped you out. Below that, you can put your name, you can put your business name. This is where you put what you do and what you can offer. This is another tool I use. It's called wordcounter.net. I'm going to leave links to everything I refer to in the description. So after the video, take a look and click on those description links and you'll be able to find the things that I'm talking about in the video. With this one, you've got 150 characters, so I'll just copy paste. This is my bio. It's going to tell me how many words and how many characters. That's all I need to know so that I can stay within the boundaries of what Instagram allows. Another thing I'd suggest that you do on here is use emojis as they apply. Use emojis as they apply to your account. They can add a little humor. They can create some emotion. The other site that I use to create emojis or find emojis quickly, it's called Emojipedia. I hope I'm saying that correctly. But I can type in anything in here, like say for instance, if I wanted to put money, or a money bag or something. I don't know why I'd want to do that, but say I do. I just click it, click copy. I'll go back to this word counter. Oh yeah, I had a money bag there already. So I'll put it right here just to show you how this works. That is a cool tool. So if you have never tried this, there's no searching. You search by there's no hunting for the emoji you want. You just type in whatever you're looking for. So I'll type in phone. And it brings up all these emojis that are related to that phone that I typed in there. So hopefully, if you knew about it, let me know in the comments. Or if you didn't know about it, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts on those. So those are the couple of tools that I use to format. Real quick before I leave this, you want to make sure that you include what you do and how you can help someone in those 150 characters. So you want to show really quickly how you can help someone or what services that you provide. It's not going to do really good for you to keyword stuff in here because it's not going to help you. This isn't very searchable except for the hashtags, and I'll get into that in another video. But I like to use this to brand my hashtag as well. So follow @YourMarketingLady, by the way. And also check me out on Instagram @YourMarketingLady. Love to have you as a follower. Now, after you've formatted everything and you've told your story in 150 characters, let people know who you are and what you do. You can also even add your location if you like. The next thing you want to do is give a call to action. Lead people away from Instagram so that you can get them on your property, something that you own. Hopefully maybe building an email list. You can send them to your YouTube page. There's a ton of different things that you can do with that, but you should really have a call to action on your bio. On mine, I have get freebies and tips. I like to give away a lot of different things as far as PDFs, downloads, and different things like that. Also, information checklist, and also tips as well. So, create some type of call to action. The next tip, you'll want to have a clickable link that takes them somewhere else to get whatever that is that you're offering them. In my case, it's freebies and tips. So when I click on my link, and this is another tool that I use, it's called Linktree. This allows you to have more than one link in your bio. Right now, Instagram only allows you to have one link in your bio. But going to this site, and you can Google it, and like I said, I'll leave a link below. It's absolutely free. You can have unlimited, as far as I know, unlimited links on there. I don't think you'd want to. I'd try to keep it, pretty small. I might just go 5 at max. But in any case, you can see I've got calls to action here where they can get a consult. They can check out my latest YouTube videos, blog posts, and also I've got a freebie in there as well. Linktree will give you a link to share. I also like to use Bitly, which is a trackable link, so I can get analytics on it. And then also you can use Google. They do a link shortener, and both of those are free, by the way. That's how you optimize that bio. Let's recap real quick. Use keywords in your name. In 150 characters, tell people who you are, what you do, and how you can help them. Put a call to action here so that you can take people away from Instagram to get them into your list. Hopefully you've got some type of a freebie that allows you to get emails in exchange for something that you're giving away. The other thing is to put a trackable link so that you can get analytics on it. One other thing before I wrap this up, your profile photo. You want to make sure it's up close and it's clear and high resolution. I see so many people's photos. It might be of them standing up. It looks like maybe it's distorted. You can't really see it, especially when you go on a mobile device. So I would say if your logo is clean, use your logo. Use up close photo. Or in my case, I have an avatar that represents my brand. And I use this avatar everywhere. So my profile is just of this avatar, but it is high resolution and it's recognizable if you know and follow my brand. That wraps it up. Let me know what you think. Hopefully this helps you out as you go to start optimizing your bio. Another quick tip, don't just set it and forget it. Try different things. Even with the different seasons, you can update your profile and try, add different hashtags, add different keywords, change the name to different keywords. I know I've done that on numerous occasions just to see and get a feel for how things work. Don't just set it and forget it. Thanks for watching. I'm your marketing lady. Come back next Thursday. I'll be talking about another Instagram hack or trick to help you get more followers and more engagement on your Instagram account. And once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Also, click that bell so you get notified every time I do a video and you won't miss anything. Thanks again, your marketing lady. I'll see you next time.